Gian. Hello, hello. Gian. Happy Monday to you. Happy Monday. Hello. Hello, hello. Dear Gian. Wow, are you still eating dinner? What are you? It's yummy.
Good. Good.
Orange. Orange?
Yes. Good. Good.
Orange.
Good.
Yes, looks like orange. Wow, so you are eating fruits. Okay, mine is I'm eating, I ate
Good.
before apple. I ate
Good.
apple. Yours is orange. Orange. Okay, so
And
Gian,
orange.
yes,
Two.
orange. See?
Three. Out.
Yes. Wow. Good. Okay, give me a high five. Give me a high five. J-
Five. Five.
Catch. Gian, catch my hand. Catch. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so happy Monday, Gian. Okay, are you ready to study now? Okay.
Finish. Finish.
Huh? This one finish? Okay, yes, the story, right? We will just have the sight words. This one here, Gian. Sight words. Okay, Gian, sight
Finish.
words. Sight words. Let's start with the sight words. Okay, so you listen and you follow teacher. Okay, so let's start with ah. Okay, Gian. Have. Have.
Abs.
Okay, in.
Three.
Okay, next, how do you read? Next word. It's easy. Gian. The. The. Yes, the. Okay, the. The. Next is Gian. They. They.
Five.
They. Okay. Have the. This time,
The.
they. They.
Five.
Okay, they. Next is two. 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 And
The.
yes, two. And then last is under. Under.
Under.
Under. Yes.
Under the sea. Under the sea.
Yes.
What do you see? What do you see?
Yes.
I see the sharks. I see the cat. I see the octopus. Octopus.
Wow! I like your song tonight. Okay, so let's
Yes.
now have page third.
Finish.
Huh?
I don't know.
Let's just start here. I'd hide. Hide.
I hide.
Okay. Hide. Hide. What do you see? What do you
What do
see?
you see?
I
I do you
see
see? What do you see? I see the shark. I see the cat. I see the
an
octopus.
octopus. Octopus. Okay. Next is number two is ride. I'd ride. Okay. Ride. R-I-D-E. Ride. What do you see? I see Yabudajian. Okay. Number three is Ipe.
예쁘다지원.
Do you want to Yabuda Claire? Something else?
예쁘다지원인데 예쁘다지원.
Yes.
지원
Yabuda.
지웠었는데
Yes.
지안.
Pretty Gian. Pretty Gian. Pretty teacher Claire. Okay. Oh, mom. Mom is pretty too. Your mom.
Oh.
Mother is pretty. Yabuda. Uma. Okay. Now number three is pipe. Oh, you have two stars. 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 Yes, stars. Oh, look at me. I have two stars. Gian. Gian, you have two stars. See? Gian, stars. Twinkle. Okay, Gian, number three. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Okay, Gian, are you finished? Number three. Pipe.
Right.
Yes, number three. Oh, story time. What's that? An
Jian.
elephant? Gian?
Gianni.
Gianni. Okay. Okay,
Gianni.
okay. This one finish?
Two,
Number
three.
Okay. So number 3, pipe.
Oh,
Yes.
happiness.
Okay, you need to finish number 3. It's pipe. And number 4 is pipe, wipe. Wipe. Yes. Pipe. Number 3, pipe. Number 4 is wipe. Wipe. So we have wipe, wipe, wipe. Okay, it's W-I-P-N-E. W-I-P-N-E.
Finish.
Okay. Oh, pipe. Wipe. You say wipe. Wipe. Okay, and Gian, you say I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. Okay, so Gian, by the way, what day is it today, Gian? Today is Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, okay. So next is number 5. Wow, apple, you bite. Bite. Bite and apple. Okay, so it's I-T-E. Bite. Okay, Gian, say bite.
Finish.
Bite. Oh, finish number 5. Oh, but you need to say bite. You say first bite. Bite. Okay? Number, yes, bite. Bite, Gian. Bite. Okay, number 6. Wow, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What's your pen? Pencil? Mine is, I have a pen. I have an apple. You know that? Apple pen. Apple pen. Okay, this one, Gian, is kite. 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 Okay, go ahead, Gian. You say kite. It's a kite. It's a kite. Okay, Gian, one more time. Kite. Kite. Yes, kite. Okay? So finish? Okay, finish, Gian. Kite. Oh, not yet finished. I'm not yet finished. Okay, that is kite. Okay? Do you fly? Do you like kites, Gian? Do you like kites? Yes or no? Kites. Do you like kites? Before, Gian, Samsung and Claire like. I like kites. Before, I like kites. Okay, finish. Next number, Gian, is number 7. Oh, you know number 7. What's that? Number 7. What's number 7, Gian?
Finish.
Oh,
Finish.
Oh, dive finish. Okay, you're done here. Dive. D-I-V-E. Okay, how about number 8? Finish number 8? Number 8 is 5. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Number 5. Okay? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little. G and 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Gianni. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Claire.
You want Gian?
Gianni, do you? Yes. Okay, finish. Don't forget dive and 5. Okay? And next page. What do we have here? What do we have? Let's have another page this time. Okay, Gian. You want to sing A, B, C? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so Gian, this one here is listen and Gian after circle, okay? So number 1, Gian, you circle pipe. Gian, pipe. Okay, so circle pipe. Number 1, it is a pipe. It is a pipe. Pipe. Okay? Oh, finish number 1? Okay, circle number 1. Finish? Okay. Okay. Okay, number 2, Gian, you circle number 2. It's wipe. Wipe. Yes, wipe the board. Okay. Wow, I like number 3. Gian, number 3, circle cake. Oh, cake. Okay, number 4, Gian, game. Game. Circle, circle, game. Game? Game. Okay, so you circled game. I like games. Board games. Finish game, Gian. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is dive. 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 Okay, number 5, Gian, is dive. Okay? Yes, dive. Okay, number 6, Gian. Yes, dive, dive. Okay, do you still remember? Number 6 is bake. Cookies. I like cookies. Bake. Bake. Yes. Okay, and Gian, number 7, you circle time. Time. Okay, number 7 is time. Okay. Number 8, Gian, vase. Vase. Okay, so you circle vase. Okay, circle. Number 5 is dive. Number 6 is bake. Number 7 is time. Number 8, Gian, is vase. Okay, finish? Finish? Okay, now? Are you finished, Gian? Okay, so we're done. Finished. We are finished, Gian. Okay? Finished now? Okay, so Gian, we're done. So are you finished here? Number 8? Okay, now? Vase. Okay, what's number 8, Gian? Vase. Vase. Number 8 is vase. Okay, so Gian, it's already bye-bye time. Finish now? Okay?
Yeah, Pinay.
Okay, no more time. It's already 7:42. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow again. Okay? Thank you.
See.
Can see octopus. Octopus. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.